안녕하세요. 비트의 아버지입니다. 영상 마지막에 구독자분들을 위한 4월 무료 이벤트 진행하오니 참여하시고 혜택 받아보시기 바랍니다. 톰 리는 미국의 유명한 투자 전략가이자 금융 애널리스트로 특히 비트코인과 암호화폐 시장에 대한 강세론으로 잘 알려져 있습니다. 주식시장과 암호화폐 시장에 대한 정량적 분석에 능숙하고 비트코인의 장기적 가치와 상승 가능성에 대해 오랫동안 강한 믿음을 보여왔습니다. 비트코인 시장의 워렌 버핏 같은 인물이라고 볼 수 있고 장기적인 시각에서 가치를 보고 투자하는 스타일입니다. 인터뷰 영상 시작하겠습니다.
Right. People love it when I ask you what your year-end target is on Bitcoin. Because
Yeah,
I
and
think people very excited.
yes, and I mean,
They're crazy high again.
I think it's still 150 or higher as possible.
Okay.
I know it doesn't feel like it, but once we get through this tariff and that agenda around tariffs, markets can look forward to
Okay.
things that could be positive.
At the time, I think you were talking about some of the people that work in your shop too, some of the technical people, and you were of the view that we were at least close to making a bottom. And off camera, we were talking. I said maybe, in terms of timing, it was about a month early, but in terms of how far the markets actually went down, you're not off by that much. I think the SP was down about 6%. Now looks like it's be, if it opens where it is right now, it'll be in correction territory again, down 10. But you have the same kind of feeling for this week that some of the underpinnings are in for a real bottom, for a tradable bottom or a real bottom.
Yeah, I mean, both. I mean, if obviously it doesn't feel this way because over the weekend futures came under pressure, but we know markets are really oversold. We know that investors have had a lot of de-risking. So, I think it's possible that instead of us breaking down here and seeing markets under further pressure, we're actually got the right piece. I think the U.S. is going to come out of this okay. I mean, Brexit's an example. You know, Brexit happened and the UK economy emerged okay. It didn't have a huge recession and the stock market did okay.
Well, people are starting to say slowing growth and persistent inflation. So you put those together and you get this stagflation. Yeah, that's death.
I mean, there's a lot of distortions of the economy now, right? Because we know people are buying cars and wine ahead of tariffs, and that's creating inflation.
Hopefully they're not doing it the same, cars and the wine.
Do you think it's pushing up our growth numbers that we're seeing at this point, between retail sales and other places, or is that too small to distort things on that great of a level?
I think it's possible economists are only dialing in the negative consequences so far, but not the positive, because rates are down and gasoline's down, and there could be some pull forward of demand. So we might end up having better growth, so less stag, and maybe the inflation stuff is more distorting, and so it's not as stagflationary. Goldman did raise their inflation forecast, but then they're talking about more rate cuts.
I know, which is because of growth concerns.
But I think investors are a little too scared heading into winter.
Do you agree with what Larry Fink said just about the idea that the dollar could suffer as a result? And
it would.
Bitcoin, yeah.
Yes. I mean, I'd say that Washington understands that too. That's why stablecoin, really getting the right sort of legislation for stablecoin is important, because in crypto, when it comes to stablecoins, the dollar is way more dominant there than it is in traditional market.
구독자분들이 무료로 참여하실 수 있는 이벤트를 오픈했습니다. 트럼프의 관세 정책의 불안한 시장 속 10년차 트레이더가 실시간으로 차트를 분석하고 공유하는 관전방 참여하셔서 무료 혜택 받아보시기 바랍니다. 그리고 앤드류 팀 자체 제작 알파빗 자동매매 무료 체험 신청도 오픈했는데요. 알파빗 자동매매 실제 수익률입니다. 아무래도 사람이 매매를 하다 보면 심리적인 요인이 가장 큰 영향을 미칩니다. 빨리 돈을 벌고 싶은 마음에 무지성으로 의미 없는 단타를 한다든지 차트 분석이 미흡해 익절이나 손절 라인을 잡지도 못하고 잡는다고 할지언정 지키기가 쉽지 않습니다. 알파빗 자동매매는 메인 지표와 보조 지표를 이용하여 추세를 파악하고 추종, 최상의 손익비 좋은 익절과 손절 라인을 제공하기 때문에 개인이 매매하는 것보다 훨씬 더 높은 수익률을 냅니다. 빠른 신청 방법은 010-4667-8146 번호로 구독 문자 남겨주시는 분들께 알파빗 자동매매 무료 체험 제공해드립니다. 하단 더보기란과 고정 댓글에 알파빗 자동매매 신청 방법 관전방 링크 남겨뒀습니다. 구독과 좋아요는 영상 제작에 큰 도움이 됩니다. 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.